and welcome back for another 50 States of Food cooking video. This is a collaborative effort I'm doing with Heather from the Pixel Gamer Girl channel, where we are slowly cooking our way through all 50 of the United States. Today I'm going to be making coconut muffins from the Aloha state of Hawaii. Situated about 2,000 miles off the North American coastline, it became the 50th and last state admitted into the Union on August 21st in 1959. I'm going to quickly go over all the ingredients. The amounts will be listed down in the description if you'd like to make these muffins for yourself, so you can see exactly how much I use there. Starting with some flour and sugar, mashed ripe bananas, melted butter, drained and dried crushed pineapple, coconut, eggs, baking powder and baking soda, a little bit of vanilla extract. We'll need some muffin tins to hold our muffin batter in. For the topping, we'll need a little bit more flour, more sugar, a little bit more melted butter, and some macadamia nuts. And then once these are baked and cooled, we're going to ice them with a little bit of powdered sugar and some coconut milk. Those are all the ingredients, so let me get these moved out of the way and we can start bringing our muffins together. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and make my topping, and I'm going to do that by dropping in my flour, my sugar, and my melted butter, and the macadamia nuts. And then all I need to do is stir these together until they are well combined. Once you have your nice little crumble topping all formed together, go ahead and set that over to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and bring in a bigger bowl where I'm going to start by adding in my butter and my 2 eggs, as well as the vanilla extract and the sugar. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and whisk all of this until it's well combined. Once you have all those ingredients combined, go ahead and add in the crushed pineapple, the coconut, and your bananas. And then these just get stirred until they're well combined. Next thing we need to do is combine our baking powder and baking soda in with our flour. I'm just going to give this a quick little stir. Once you have those stirred together, go ahead and add those into your wet mixture. And I'm just going to stir this until the flour is combined in. I don't want to overmix these. Just as soon as you don't see any more dry flour in there, you'll know it's mixed enough. And it's time to go ahead and start filling our muffin tins. And these are going to get filled all the way up to the top. Once you get all your little muffin cups filled up, it's time to sprinkle them gently with a little bit of our crumbled topping. That is the last one all topped up. Now these are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The muffins are out of the oven and I've allowed them to cool for about 30 minutes. So now we need to make our little icing, and I'm just going to add my 3 tablespoons of coconut milk into my 1 cup of powdered sugar. And then these are going to get stirred together until they form a little glaze. Once your glaze runs off your fork in a little river, that's the consistency that you want. So all we have left to do is to drizzle it across the top of our muffins. There we go. That is the last of our muffins all drizzled up with icing. I'm going to let these sit up for about 10 minutes and then we'll give one of these a try and see what I think about them. Now that I've got all these completely iced, it's time to go ahead and try one out. I think this is the one I'm going to go for. Cannot wait to dig in and try this out. It smells absolutely incredible. You really get the banana smell from it. I really hope I can taste the coconut in here. I have a feeling the banana may have overwhelmed it just a little bit. I really do like this muffin. It turned out really good. I like all the flavors here, though I definitely don't get the coconut flavor in it. More of the banana forward flavor, which I don't mind. It's nice and moist, has a really good crumb. It's not falling apart in my hands, so I'll definitely be making these again. The addition of that crumbly topping gives you a nice textural contrast that sometimes you're looking for in a muffin. And then I do like the drizzle of icing across the top. Overall, yeah, I'm definitely going to be making these again at some time. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. Remember to check out the 50 state video playlist. I'll leave a link down to it in the description. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.